You can keep it like this. For a swing trade it's good, for a normal trade also it's good, because that is a swing trade, so that is the reason just I'm holding. Stop losses is below here, the target is this. Gold, what is doing? We can get one small scalp. 1:2 we can plan it up. At least 1:2. Okay. Plan we'll do one thing. We'll enter with a 4 lot size. Small scalp, and people above this candle. Small scalp. The market is gone. Stop loss is above that candle. Scalping, just a scalping. Just 1:2. No, let it break this zone. Let it break. Yes. Good. Good guys. Good. See, scalping. This is called as scalping. This is called as scalping. See, within a one candle itself, got a profit. But in the scalping is good, but in the live trading is it will not give that much greater option, because sometimes we lose it up. So sometimes chances are like that. Immediately one candle is enough to pump it out. What's the scalp?